Have you ever wished for a way to attract money fast? If you're in need of quick financial blessings, then this ancient money spell is exactly what you've been looking for. Using the power of the Psalms and sacred symbols, this spell has been known to unlock financial abundance and bring unexpected money your way. But remember, faith and focus are key. 1. To perform this spell, you will need a blue candle for financial blessings and prosperity. Seal, figure 10 from the 6th and 7th books of Moses, Psalms 81 and 91, for divine favor and abundance, and a quiet space where you can focus your energy. This seal is a powerful ancient symbol used to open doors of wealth and opportunity. The first step is to set the ritual. Light your blue candle and place the seal beneath it. As the flame burns, visualize money flowing into your life. See it, feel it, believe it. Now prepare to recite the powerful psalms that will activate this spell. On Wednesday, Friday and Saturday, place the burning blue candle on seal figure 10 of the 6th and 7th book of Moses, and read Psalms 81 and 91 with conviction. Repeat this ritual consistently and watch as doors of financial blessings open for you. For this spell to work, remember to believe in the process, as doubt weakens the energy you send out. Keep your intentions pure. Ask for financial blessings for good purposes and take action as the universe rewards effort, so be ready to receive opportunities. This spell is not just about magic, it's about aligning yourself with abundance and opportunity. Trust the process, stay positive, and let the universe work in your favor. So, now that you know this quick money spell, are you ready to manifest financial success? If so, hit like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.